Hello friends, welcome to Play with Data tutorials about SQL and Tableau videos. So in this tutorial video, we will discuss about some SQL Basic Part 2. Let's begin with index. About update merge statement with insert, update, delete together, and delete statement, truncate statement, drop statement, select for all. So we will start the experiment. What is SQL does? Basically, SQL is a structured query language and it is a programming language for storing and processing information in a relational database and stores the data in a tabular form with rows and columns. So in this tutorial, by the way, I had already created SQL Basic Part 1 tutorial video. You can watch it through my SQL playlist with my channel. Okay, so guys, our first topic is the update statement. So update statement is used to modify the existing records in a table. We will use it to update anything in our table which is already existing in our records. So our syntax is set stored name is equal to Adidas, where store is equal to 11. After that, we will run the same syntax or query to check the our statement is okay or not. So after the second, our topic is update top 2 statements, which is the second one update statement. If we use it for update anything in top 5 or top 2 details in one shot. Okay, so the syntax is same as it is we use in update statement, only we have to use the syntax is update top 2. The table is same as we use in whole video. Okay, so update top 2 store details, set sales, done. So it means we use the update top 2 store details is set for sales is equal to 120. Automatically it will update top 2 sales is equal to 120. So our third is create 2 tables for merge statement practice. So what is merge statement? Actually, merge statement is the combination of insert, delete and update statement. So in this statement, we have to practice via creating 2 tables. So we create 2 different tables, but some values are different and some values are same in both tables. The 2 tables are source product and second one is target product. So let's create table and insert some values to the practical of merge statement. Okay, so let's begin. first practical is insert data using merge. On following tables, insert data using merge. Product ID, product name and price. Both values are same, and sometimes there is some different values are in price. So we can insert statement use with merge statement. Merge target products as target using source table as source on source.product_id is equal to target.product_id. When not matched by target, then insert product id, product name, price, values, source.product_id, source.product_name, source.price. Then we have to run the same query, and after that we will check the result. The result is same as when we check after the run the query with select star from target product id. Okay, so guys, this is our first insert with merge statement. The second is update data using merge. Update with merge statement. The same as the insert with a merge statement, update is worked with the updating the values of two, both or more than two tables. We can use it via this syntax: merge target product as target using source product as source on source.product_id is equal to target.product_id. When matched, then update set target.product_name is equal to source.product_name, source.price is equal to target.price. This is our syntax of update with merge statement. You can run the same query and check the result. Okay. Then our last statement is delete with merge statement. Merge target product as target using source product as source on source.product_id is equal to target.product_id. Okay, when not matched by source, then delete. It means if product id, source product id is not matched with target product id, then the record is deleted. You can check the same via run this query and check the result in your SQL server. Our next syntax is to delete statement. it's not same as the merge statement with delete. It's single with delete statement is used to delete existing records in a table, not delete table itself, only the records. So the syntax is delete from store details, means table name, where sales is equal to 100. So it's delete the record where sales is equal to 100. Next is truncate statement. It is used to delete an existing data in a table except the table itself. It is some different with delete statement. Delete statement deletes the records only in the table, but truncate statement is used to delete the whole table or the table itself with the records. Okay, the syntax is truncate table store details. Store details is table name. Now with the end of the tutorial of this video, the statement is used drop statement. It is used to drop an existing table in a database. It means it deletes the whole table in the database. It can never show in your database again when we use drop statement to delete the table. So the syntax is drop table store details. Store details table name. And after the whole query, you can use to check the result. What's the status of the result? You can use the query select star from store details. So friends, we does all these practicals in SQL Basic Part 2 tutorial. Is first we does update statement, update top 2 statements, and then create 2 tables for merge statement practices, creating tables source product, creating table target product, insert some different values, and then after that merge statement will insert, update and delete. These are the merge statement queries. After that we discuss about delete, truncate and drop. Okay guys, I am very happy to share this tutorial play with data, and please subscribe, like, share for more tutorials updates about SQL and Tableau. Thanks for watching.